Today is the 7th of the March and we are going now to unbox our new pack of rootstocks for pears, apples and plums. Okay, this is our new pack and that is arrived from the Walcott plant nursery. I'm going to use my gardening knife to open it. Opened it now and let's see what is inside. Ooh, it has a lots of lovely straw. Susan, it has a straw.
So that'd be for the hens.
Yeah.
I'll take that for my trip.
Yeah, that means they will be protected from frost. Okay, here, look at this. I'm removing this lovely straw. Not as much as Keeper's Nursery, but this rootstock anyway. They are small, quite small. So, let me see. Okay. Okay, these are the rootstock for Quince A. There are 10. They look good. They have some soil and some roots. And as you can see, they are good. I'm going to open it and heal it today. This is the rootstock for MM106. That's apple rootstock. And I think they should have sent me. I ordered some Julian A rootstock for plums. They have not sent me, or they may come in a separate package. Well, we will see. Oh, okay. Send Julian A rootstock also 10 here. So these are going to be healed now. I'm now going to cut the plastic. I've dug a hole and I will put them in the soil, healing them with the heel of my foot. Means stabilizing them and until I come for planting them in the permanent position. Okay, this is the rootstocks. Look at the roots. Roots are really good here. They have very good root systems. Yeah, Walcott Nursery, well done. So 10 of these, 10 of that, 10 of that. So 10 of the apple rootstock MM106, 10 of this St. Julian A, and 10 of the Queen's A. So I'm going to heal them in this space that I've created. Okay, as you see, I've now put them in the soil at an angle, 30 degrees almost, and I'm going to turn over the soil back to that hole. As you can see, I've healed them now. I put some soil this side, so I'm pressing it to make sure there is not left any air pocket. This can stay until I have the time to come and plant them. For additional safety, I will just cover it with this net, which is available here. I have received some trees and I have healed them for later to be planted. The trees were packed in the straw to keep them warm and safe from the frost, and also to absorb any shock during transport. So I'm just going to use it. This is from the Walcott Nursery, and these were rootstocks for grafting on some apple and pear and the plums. So now what I will do, I take it to the chicken coop and feed it to the chickens, or they can just scatter it. They can just scratch on it. Okay, these are the straws, and I'm going to now just scatter it for chickens. They will be enjoying this. Done it, and it's a bit dark, so we're just going to leave the chickens alone with their little eatings.